Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic evaluation of postfix expression. The problem is evaluate the expression 651 minus 4 star 23 exponent slash plus. So here the given expression they have given in postfix form itself. So no need to do any conversion. Suppose if they have given in an infix form, in the sense you need to convert the infix expression into postfix expression and then only you can able to evaluate. Because computers can able to handle only postfix expression, not infix expression. Okay, but here the expression itself they have given in postfix form. So directly we can go for evaluation. So we need three columns. One is what is the input character we need to scan, then the stack data structure, and then the postfix evaluation, the comments you need to write down here. What is the algorithm? The first step is at the end of the given postfix expression, you need to add a closed parenthesis. That is first step. Second step, whenever you are encountering an operand, in the sense, push it onto the stack. Whenever you are encountering an operator, in the sense, pop the top two elements from the stack and implement the corresponding operation, and then we will get a result. That result you have to push back into the stack. Okay, result you have to push it into the stack. Okay, this procedure you need to continue until you reach this closed parenthesis. Meaning is end of the expression is reached. That is the meaning. For that purpose only we are adding this closed parenthesis. So first, what is the postfix expression? It is 6, 5, 1 minus 4 star 2, 3 exponent, then division plus closed parenthesis. Okay. Initially nothing will be in stack. And what is the first character you are going to scan? That is 6. So if it is an operand, what you have to do? Push 6 into stack. Okay. Now the element 6 you have to push it into the stack. This is the only one element. So this 6 will point to the top element of the stack. And the remaining input characters are 5, 1 minus 4 star 2, 3 exponent, division plus closed parenthesis. And next input character is 5. So 5 is an operand. So push 5 into stack. Next, the remaining input characters are 1 minus 4 star 2, 3 exponent, division plus closed parenthesis. And now this 5 you have to push it into the stack. So if you are pushing 5 into the stack, 5 will occupy the top element of the stack. In the stack data structure, elements will be 6 will be at bottom and 5 will occupy the top position of the stack. The stack data structure elements will be placed like this only. Okay. Next input character is 1. 1 is an operand. So push 1 into the stack. So if it is an operand, you have to push it onto the stack. 6, 5, 1. Now 1 will occupy the top position of the stack. And the remaining input characters are minus 4 star 2, 3 exponent, division plus closed parenthesis. Okay. Next comes the operator. It is a subtraction operator. So whenever you are encountering an operator, you have to pop the top two elements of the stack. Top element is 1, next element is 5. So top two elements, if you are popping 5 and 1, you need to pop. Okay. So pop 1, first you have to pop 1 and next you have to pop 5. Then implement 5 minus 1. The operation you have to implement, corresponding operation is subtraction operation here. So the corresponding operation you have to implement with the top two elements. And what is the result you are getting? It is 4. You have to push the result back into stack. Push 4 into stack. Now these two elements we have implemented the operation, result is 4. The result you have to push back into the stack. The remaining input characters are 4 star 2, 3 exponent, division plus closed parenthesis. Okay. And the next input character is an operand. So push 4 into stack. Now 6, 4 and top one more element 4 you have to push it onto the stack. Remaining input characters are star 2, 3 exponent, division plus closed parenthesis. Okay. Now this is a multiplication operator. So you have to pop top two elements, okay, pop 4 and 4, and then you have to implement corresponding operation. What is the operation? Multiplication. So 4 into 4, you will get it as 16, and this result 16, you have to push back into the stack. So here 6 will be there as it is. Only we are popping top two elements and we are implementing the corresponding operation. So 16 you have to push back into the stack. And the remaining input characters are 2, 3, exponent, division plus closed parenthesis. Next input character is an operand. Push operand 2 into stack. Now 6, 16 and 2 will be there. And the remaining input characters 3 exponent slash plus closed parenthesis. Okay. And next input character is 3. If it is an operand, push 3 into stack. Now in the stack it is 6, 16, 2 and 3 will be there. Now the top element is 3. And the remaining input characters exponent slash plus closed parenthesis. Now we are encountering an operator. So pop the top two elements from the stack. Pop 3 first and then pop 2 and implement exponent operation. So exponent operation is b power a, you will get it 2 power 3. So you will get it as 8 and push the result 8 into the stack. So now 6, 16 and 8 will be there in stack. The remaining input characters are division plus closed parenthesis. So next it is a division operator. Next input character is a division operator. So if it is an operator, pop the top two elements. Top two elements are 16 and 8. Pop the top two elements. 8 first you have to pop and then 16 you have to pop. Then implement b by a. B is 16, a is 8. And you will get the result 2. Push the result 2 into the stack. So 6 and 2 you will get it. Next, the remaining input characters are plus and closed parenthesis. Now the next input character is addition. So here pop top two elements 2 and 6 and then implement the operation 6 plus 2 addition operation, and the result you will get it as 8 and push the result 8 into the stack. Now 8 will be in stack and here the input character remaining is closed parenthesis only. So whenever you are encountering closed parenthesis, meaning is it has reached the end of the expression. There is no more input characters to read. Okay, so exit. And what is the result you will get it? The result of this postfix expression is nothing but 8. This is the output of this expression. So here this evaluation you can able to implement manually also. So manually how we will implement in the sense, the operator together with the two operands always you have to implement first. So for example here I am implementing, it is 6, 5, 1 minus 4 star. This is for your knowledge purpose only, okay. And this you can't implement in exam. You have to follow these steps only to implement in exam. Exponent, division plus. Okay, so here the operator with two operands together you have to take it. For example, here 5 and 1 with two operands, it is there with the operator is subtraction. Similarly, here 2 and 3 with exponent, together two operands with operator. So wherever two operands comes together and next is the operator, you can implement that operation. So here 5, 1 minus subtraction. So 5 minus 1 you will get it as 4. So here 6, 4 you will get it 4 multiplication, 2, 3 exponent. So 2 power 3 you will get it as 8 division plus. Next, two operands with operator, this one you can able to implement. So here 6, 4 into 4, 16, then 8 division plus. Then here two operands with operator, this only 16 divided by 8. So you will get it as 2 plus. Together two operands with operator addition, 8. This is the result you will get it. So for competitive exams and all, you can follow this easy method. If they have asked an exam for 6 mark, 8 mark or 10 mark in the sense, you have to follow this table. And steps you have to follow. If possible, if it is a 10 mark question, if possible, provide the algorithm also. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.